here we go. Time to get ready for Terror Crew. About to do some new shit. What am I gonna do? So I've been testing with the 14 degrees of camber, but at high corner speeds, I've been getting understeer, so I'm going to bring this out all the way to where Wisefab wants you to put it here and see what the hell happens. I'm gonna check and see if anything's loose, but none of this feels like it's loose, but I should just make sure because nothing's ever came loose on this car since I got the RB running. But I'm guessing because it's not a rattling piece of shit like the SR. The SR was good, but it just rattled like a motherfucker, which is not good for drifting because then your whole car falls apart. So I guess I gotta get these wheels off. Also, my brake lines are cutting, the bracket for the brake lines are cutting my tire. Maybe not on this side, but definitely on this side. Look at that. Okay, so I need to fix that too. That brake line back there. I'm gonna just unbolt it and move it one forward, and we should be good. Gotta drain my catch can too and see what's in there. See what happens. Let's go.